So guys, in this tutorial, we'll be guiding you on how to feature TikTok ads on Shopify. So right here in Shopify, we're going to come over to apps, click on it, and you'll see a drop down. And of course, you can see all recommended apps, and it's going to take you to this page. Now, once we come to the bottom and click on Shopify App Store, it will open a new tab. And this is the Shopify App Store, and you can search for TikTok. So here we have TikTok, and we're going to click on Install, because this is what we're looking for. And right here, you can see Install App. We're going to click on Install, of course. And in order to feature your TikTok ads on Shopify successfully, you need to follow all the steps right here. You can see here, get started with advertising on TikTok and TikTok Shop. So you need to click on the setup now and follow the steps required. You could also see the to-do list right here, which makes things easy for you. And then of course, start selling on TikTok. So you can choose grow your business with TikTok ads, and this is what we're looking for. So go ahead and click on setup now, follow the steps and complete them in order to feature TikTok ads on Shopify.